Hi, I would like to introduce you today to the technique which is called mewing. It's been designed by British orthodontist John Mew, and it was designed for improving the facial features by regulating the right tongue and jaw posture. So it's also been used for speech therapy, as well as treating and addressing to TMJ disorders. So repeat after me, and I hope you enjoy it. So the first exercise will be running or gliding the thumbs from the bottom or the back of the throat, gliding inwards in towards the teeth, the upper teeth. So my hands are clean, and we do 10 times for this exercise. So now I'm gonna glide my thumbs from the center out to the side. So you need to apply fairly firm pressure, and imagine that you're smoothing the upper palate of your jaw. I already feel how my upper jaw kind of becoming a little bit more smoother and kind of more open, which is a really, really good feeling. So the third exercise, I will run my thumb across, so zigzag from one side to another side, starting from the back, moving in towards the upper front teeth. So now we're gonna work on strengthening the muscle of the tongue. If you have quite a severe TMJ, be very careful, and if it doesn't feel comfortable, I would recommend you just to stick to the first 3 exercises. Otherwise, you can continue repeating with me. So now I'm gonna glide my tongue on the upper palate, so from the back in towards the front, and then we're gonna go back to the front, and then we repeat 10 times. Okay, so the next one will be tongue clicking, and I do 20 times. So by now I feel like my tongue is actually becoming a little bit tired. And of course, the more you do these exercises, the more it becomes more stronger. And then the last exercise, I will call it football player. So I will be moving my tongue from one cheek to another cheek. And I do 20 times in total, so each side will get 10 kicks. And now just relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. You can even pause for a moment, close your eyes. And if you repeat these exercises daily, it can be done anywhere, in a car, in the bathroom, even at your work desk. So repeat with me, and I hope you will feel and look much more better.